we start from the form first. We start with the form first karena nggak ada form secara detail di presentation, so I'd like to use a blank space here. Okay, so we start with the past tense. Past tense here is when a subject meet the verb to. We call it as a past tense. But once again, everyone, jadi verb itu ada dua jenis ya, teman-teman ya. Pertama ada irregular verb. Irregular verb. Sorry. Jadi irregular verb is a verb that has the three different form. Jadi ada uh, tiga bentuk yang berbeda. Sometimes if you take a look at the list, jadi mungkin penulisannya akan sama ya, either form or pronunciation. Jadi pronunciationnya beda atau bentuknya beda-beda, teman-teman. For example, like go. Go bentuk keduanya jadinya went. Nah, bentuk ketiganya jadinya gone. This one is belong to irregular verb and it's already being listed. So not all the verbs are irregular. Jadi untungnya karena ini agak sedikit susah ya teman-teman, kita harus mengingat bentuk satu, bentuk dua, bentuk tiga. Jadi untungnya enggak semua verb ini irregular. So it's already being list. Kalau nggak salah itu cuma 2 lembar aja listnya. Nah, and then the next one, most of the verb would be in the form of regular verb. Jadi kebanyakan verbnya ini bakal dalam bentuk regular. So just end with ed. Just end with ed. Jadi cuma kita tambah ed aja. So for example like watch for verb 1 and then watch for verb 2. Jadi kurang lebih seperti ini. Nah, so we have to be careful when we want to use some irregular verb because we need to use verb 2. Jadi yang harus kita pakai itu verb 2. Nah, bentuknya itu sama teman-teman, ada kalimat positif. And then the next one, we have kalimat negatif. Nah, untuk kalimat negatifnya, karena we cannot use not after verb. So we need a helping verb. Jadi kita butuh semacam verb juga, tapi ini fungsinya adalah membantu. Nah, to be is a verb, everyone. So some people might be confused. Bedain apa ya? Bedain verb sama to be itu gimana? Jadi is itu juga verb, do, does, did itu juga verb, but it act like helping verb. Nah, some people know it as a to be. Jadi biar nggak bingung. So to be is also verb. This one ada subject and then we need did plus not. Now after did not, we need to follow with the verb 1. Verb 1. Langsung ke verb 1 lagi ya teman-teman ya. Nah, for example, if as I asked you before, what did you do? What did you do on the last weekend? So I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. Udah, we use go instead of when. Jadi di sini kita udah pakai go lagi, bukan when. Nah, kayak misal tadi kalau misal ditanya, how was your weekend going on? So it's fun. Kayak tadi, I went hiking with my friend. Nah, kita pakainya when, teman-teman. We use verb to. But if we say something in negative, then the verb remain to a best form. Jadi verbnya tetap ke verb 1 ya, teman-teman ya, verb dasarnya. Kita udah pakai when lagi. And then we move to a question. Ya, kalimat tanya. Oke, kalimat tanya ada, ini namanya inversion, teman-teman. This one is inversion question. Jadi yang pertanyaan yang uh, tidak diawali dengan kalimat tanya, tapi diawali dengan modal or to be. Like did, do, does, did. Nah, kalau kalian ditanya seperti ini, it only requires the answer either yes or no. Jadi jawabannya itu cuma yes or no sebenarnya. Kalau misal kalian ditanya pakai pertanyaan seperti ini. For example, did you go to the cinema yesterday? No. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Jawabannya cuma seperti itu. Jadi di sini ada did, subject, plus verb one. Verb one. Yeah. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Did you eat breakfast this morning? This is inversion. Nah, kalau misal pertanyaan yang ada kalimat tanyanya. So first we need question word. Nanti tambah did, tambah subject, tambah verb one. Kalimat tanya jangan lupa. For example, where did you eat breakfast? Where did you eat breakfast this morning? Yeah, where did you eat breakfast this morning? Now, this one is for past tense. And then the next one, it's talk about something that happened in the past as well. Yeah, but we use past continuous. Continuous. Yeah, but we have like subject. For positive, we have subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Okay, different subject, also different to be, or I would say helping verb. Jadi different subject, beda to be-nya ya teman-teman ya. Jadi for example ada I, kalau I sebenarnya bisa pakai she, he, it. Kalau I bisa pakai was or were, but this one I, she, he, it, we use was. We use was, and then we have they, we, you, we use were. They, we, you, we use were. Ini untuk kalimat positif. And then the next one, we move to a negative one. Were not or wasn't. Weren't or wasn't. Weren't or wasn't. So for example, yesterday, I was watching anime before I started class. Before I started class. We are going to talk about function later. And yeah. I wasn't joining the class. Oh, it's should be, or I wasn't playing game yesterday. So it's something in the past. And then, nah, for question. Question juga ada dua bentuknya ya, teman-teman ya. It could be inversion or the common question. Was or were, and then subject. Was or were, and then subject, and then verb ing. Tapi for inversion is kinda rare everyone, it's a bit uncommon. Jadi nggak terlalu sering dipakai ya teman-teman ya. We mostly use this one, question word plus was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Now, what were you doing, for example? What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? Nah, these two tenses is used to talk something that happened in the past. Jadi dua tenses ini itu dipakai untuk menyatakan segala sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. But it has a huge difference here. Tapi ini punya perbedaan yang lumayan besar ya teman-teman ya. Yeah, you might, if you take a look at the grammar book or some informal book, so they might have like a list of what is it, list of function, but actually you can use past for something that already done. Jadi sudah selesai teman-teman, something that already done and you no longer do it anymore. Jadi kalian udah nggak melakukannya lagi. So everything happened in the past. Let me put a stress here. Everything happened in the past. So you no longer do it. You no longer do it. Jadi kalian sudah tidak melakukannya lagi. Nah, for example, if you say this one, I loved you. I loved you. So it means you no longer love your partner anymore. Kalian udah gak cinta lagi nih. Nah, I loved you. So no longer love your spouse anymore. Or for example, biasanya pakai ini, I used to. Aku biasanya gitu kan. Karena kalau pakai used to, I used to drink coffee every morning. So it means you usually drink a coffee every morning. But if you said I used to drink coffee every morning, you no longer drink coffee every morning. So it's done. So it's done. Nah, ini tuh termasuk independent sentence nih teman-teman. Ini bisa dipakai sendirian. It can use alone. Nah, it's a bit different with this one. Jadi agak sedikit berbeda teman-teman karena posisinya yeah, we use these tenses to talk about something happened in the past. Nah, tapi kalau yang ini it's still ongoing in the past. We no longer do it but it's still ongoing in the past. Jadi kita udah tidak melakukannya lagi tapi pas we tell something, we tell a story that something still ongoing in the past. Jadi sesuatu yang masih berlangsung di masa lalu, teman-teman. Nah, biasanya makanya ini karena it's a bit confusing if they stand alone. Jadi biasanya mereka penggunaannya dikombinasi dengan past tense. Nah, for example, what were you doing? What were you doing when I called you? When I called you. What were you doing when I called you? Kamu lagi ngapain pas tadi telepon? Oh ya. Yeah. So, I was watching YouTube. I was watching YouTube when you called me. When you called me. I was watching YouTube when you called me. So, I didn't hear the phone rang or something like that. Jadi biasanya penggunaannya digunakan dengan past tense teman-teman. So it's a combination. Jadi kalau past, so you can tell everything that already done using past tense. Pokoknya sudah selesai. You no longer do it using past tense. Kalau yang continuous tense, it's happened in the past but it's still ongoing. Jadi ya masih ongoing. So let's take a look at this one. Yeah, if you take a look at the grammar book, they would like to come with the list. Yeah, ini a bit confusing, tapi secara garis besar past tense itu dipakai untuk pokoknya segala sesuatu yang sudah selesai. Nah, kalau continuous ya, it's combined with other tenses, and it talk about something that still ongoing in the past. Jadi kayak bentuk pastnya dari ini teman-teman. If you already studying it, future tense, continuous tense, present continuous tense is MR plus verb ing. Nah, for example like this one. When I woke up this morning, it was snowing. Jadi masih ada salju pas bangun tidur. Tapi bangun tidurnya itu tadi pagi. So it's used past tense and then combined with continuous tense. I was sleeping when you called me. I was sleeping when you called me. Jadi pas telepon tadi aku lagi tidur. Nah, it's still ongoing. So let's do this one. Let's check a bit, everyone. Wait a second. Let me unmute everyone here. So we got 2 exercises here. So what about this one? I
Start work at
I
started work at 8
started.
a.m. this
I
morning.
started.
Why you started?
Past tense.
Yeah,
Past
past tense
tense.
is already
Past
done
tense.
this morning. Can you no longer
Past
work?
tense.
If you say this one, you no longer work.
Started work at 9 a.m. morning.
This time last year,
this
I was
I was
studying.
studying.
yeah, I was
studying at university.
yeah, this time last year I was studying because it's still ongoing. You're
Yeah.
still studying.
This is time last year, ya. Waktu terakhir ya. Tahun terakhir.
Sarah hurt her ankle when she
was running.
Ran.
when she was running.
Oh, he was running.
Ya, harusnya Sarah hurted ya, teman-teman ya.
Yeah.
Sarah hurted her ankle while she was running. Jadi pas lagi lari.
Pas lagi lari.
Yeah, so the running was still ongoing. And then your call because I was working.
I miss
Miss
your call
because I was working.
Miss your
working.
call
So it's
because I
done.
was working.
Nah,
Masih
so
kerja ya.
yeah, yang the one that still continue is the working. But you miss it. While I was working at home,
I
Noticed
noticed a new shop in the high street.
Notice.
At 6 p.m. yesterday.
It was already getting dark.
was already getting dark.
Yesterday,
Was already
at
getting.
6 p.m.
Already
yesterday.
Already got
Yeah, already got
Was
dark.
already getting.
Yesterday, so it's already done.
kemarin, yes.
Yesterday, no. Already got, eh?
Yeah, I saw you driving down Green Street yesterday. Where?
Did you go?
Did you go?
Where did you go?
I saw you driving down the street
So
yesterday.
you're driving.
Where did you go?
Where are you going?
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
How did you
Ya,
go?
where did you go? Mau pergi ke mana?
Okay.
Nah, ini pas simple tadi something like this everyone ada we got what is it? Kalau past tense I think it's simple in theory but sometimes we forget when should we use a verb to. Tapi kadang-kadang kita lupa pakai verb 2-nya aja ya, teman-teman ya. But yeah, be careful when you say positive sentence or affirmative
Something like
sentence.
that.
Yeah.
Something like that happened.
Yeah, it's always happen. So I sometimes make an error though. Jadi saya juga kadang lupa teman-teman. I sometimes forget it. Yeah, but be careful everyone. Karena past tense itu sebenarnya gampang karena all subject use same to be or all subject use the same linking verb. Jadi semua subjek itu sama linking verbnya. Jadi mungkin kan it's a bit difficult if we want to talk about present tense because present tense different subject has different linking verb. Satunya pakai do, satunya pakai does or something like that. But for past tense it's kind of simple karena semuanya sama. Nah, yang jadi masalah biasanya di sini aja.
Irregular.
Ya, how to use verb to in affirmative sentence atau ya verb irregular. Irregular verb. Tapi you can just start by memorizing some of the vocabularies that often used everyone. Kayak misal go itu jangan sampai lupa. Nah, this one past continuous. Contohnya ada ini ya, teman-teman ya.
Past continuous.
Yes, it's still in progress, but in the past. Biasanya ada ininya sih teman-teman. Pakai when or while.
When or while.
When means short time. Atau while. So it refers to a longer time. So for example, I was watching anime when my mom called. So I was studying while the class running. Or while the webinar running or something like that. Biasanya ada ini teman-teman. Kalau misal konteksnya adalah yesterday, last year, this morning, this afternoon, it's already past, it's already done. So we use past tense. We usually use past tense. Begitu teman-teman. So is there a question? Kira-kira ada pertanyaan nggak teman-teman? Okay, what about this one?
I started my
My new job yesterday.
I
Was starting.
I started.
I was starting my new job yesterday.
I started
I
my new
I
job
started.
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yeah,
Yesterday.
I started my new job yesterday. What about this one?
What did you do?
What
What did you do?
It's asking, what were you doing?
What were you doing?
What were you
What were
doing?
you doing?
What were you doing?
Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What were you
Baik.
doing? Around 8 a.m.
Morning.
this morning.
Were you doing? What were you doing?
Now, what was this one? While I was washing the dishes, I suddenly
Suddenly
Had
a brilliant
had a
idea.
brilliant idea. Yeah.
Had a
Sebenarnya kalau
brilliant
kayak gini
idea.
agak for this one I think it's a bit easy because we usually don't use the same tenses in one sentence, everyone. And then the next
You
one, he didn't hear the
He
phone
didn't hear
ring.
the phone ring.
Didn't hear the phone ring.
He was
He was listening.
Yeah, he was
He was
listening
listening.
to a really loud music.
Oh,
They already closed the shop
when
I
got
got
there,
there,
so I couldn't go
couldn't
buy
go
anything.
and buy anything.
So I couldn't
They
go.
already
Yeah, they
Already closed.
closed.
already closed.
they were already close.
They
Already
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 closed.
closed.
It's already
Already closed.
Okay. Yeah, but I got you with another exercise actually. So let's talk about the past, everyone. Is it
Let's talk about
clear, everyone? Ini jelas nggak di tempat kalian, teman-teman?
Where were you born? Where
clear,
did
clear.
you grow up? Talk about your childhood.
Yeah, is it clear? I mean, is the
Yeah,
question
it's
clear?
What did you do yesterday? Describe your day.
So let's talk about past. Jadi so that you don't run out of topic. Jadi karena topiknya satu, biasanya nanti kalian bingung. Just to start feel confused, so you got a few questions that you need to answer. So mungkin not all question, but you can pick some question that is pick your interest, everyone. Jadi yang sekiranya menarik untuk dijawab gitu ya teman-teman ya. Saya baru saja selesai makan siang. Karena sudah selesai, you can use I've just finished my lunch because it's already done. Nah, for example, I was taking my lunch when the boss called. Tapi kalau sudah selesai, karena posisinya sudah selesai, it's over now. So just use apa ini? Just use past tense.
Past tense.
I just finished or I finished lunch. I finished
Yeah,
lunch.
I finished lunch.
I finished my lunch or something like that. Begitu sis. Is it answer? Is there any other question? Ada pertanyaan lain teman-teman? No? Okay, let's move to breakout room then. And you got some question that you need to answer in a breakout room. I'll see you guys in a breakout room. Udah dibuka belum ini? Okay. Yeah, so I'm still talking with the friend in the breakout room. Wait a second. Okay, how is the conversation going on, everyone? Tadi gimana nih conversationnya?
Excited.
Excited.
Banyak kehilangan
Nggak
kata-kata.
boleh, Miss Pia,
Oh,
kalau
we
boleh
lost some
yang masukan
words.
tadi itu dikirim ke kita ya supaya bisa dilatih-latih gitu. Sebab kadang-kadang vocabnya susah juga.
Oh,
Kirim
okay.
gitu ya.
Yes, I would
Nah,
like to
biar
send
kita
the
pelajari gitu.
question card.
Miss Siva, I want to ask you. I want to ask you if
The question.
the two verbs,
Verb two.
not verb two, but two verbs
Two.
ketemu.
Oh, I mean like
Jadi
two.
dua kata kerja ketemu ya.
Oh,
Apa
two
kata kerja
verbs.
keduanya itu harus dia berubah atau enggak berubah gitu. Misalnya I wanted to see my friend gitu.
It
Atau I
depends.
wanted ya.
It depends on makanya ini teman-teman.
Ya, I wanted pas.
Nah, for example like this one.
Saya ingin ketemu teman saya. Saya ingin ketemu teman saya kemarin misalnya, atau saya ingin ketemu teman saya gitu, tapi sudah pas gitu.
Yesterday I wanted to meet. Biasa, I wanted to meet my friend. Yesterday I wanted
Jadi
to
kembali
meet
ke verb one ya.
Yes.
Kata kerjanya ya.
For example like this one, everyone.
Pakai waktu kan?
Ya,
Yes,
jadi
yes,
tergantung. Jadi kalau misal dua verb bersamaan,
Dua verb
ini pakainya
bersamaan.
gimana? Ya, it depends on the context. What you
Yeah.
are going to talk
Yes.
about. Are you going to talk about past or are you going to talk about
The future.
future?
Yes.
Yeah, because it depends on
Depends.
Context, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
Context
Of the sentence, yeah.
Nah, if you ask about this one, ini kan sebenarnya this one, it's two verb everyone. Jadi ini dua verb loh. Because to be is also verb. I was watching. Nah, di sini kita pakai dua verb, was and watching, because we talk about something that happened in the future, something that it's still ongoing in the future. Nah, di sini kita pakai nah, I didn't go anywhere yesterday. Did is a verb and then go is also verb. Kita pakai dua verb yang sama. Nah, we use this kind of verb because we want to talk something in the past.
I didn't go anywhere.
Nah, for example, bisa pakai ini loh. I am going or she is going misalnya. She's going to kalau malam she's going to the pub, for example. She's going to the pub. So we use is a verb and then going is also a verb. Nah, kita pakai is and verb because it's still something that is still ongoing now. Jadi sesuatu yang masih berjalan saat ini.
Still doing ya.
Nah, so it depends on the situation.
Depends
I hope
context
it
of the
answer. Jadi ini I better to take a picture of this one. Just as a note maybe. Okay, so what will you guys do after this one? Di sini mau ngapain nih teman-teman? Do you have some plan to do?
Sweeping my social media.
Going to sleep.
Scrolling down social
Scrolling.
media.
I'm so
Scroll
tired
TikTok
today.
Scroll TikTok. Ada yang masih main TikTok?
Yes, I do.
TikTok is
Halo,
Yeah.
Mr. Madi.
Not
Iya,
my
saya
What are
main
you doing
TikTok ya.
right now?
TikTok
Ya.
is
After the
very
lesson.
addictive. Like
Select video.
After
yeah,
this
I plan
lesson,
to scroll down TikTok for 5 minutes, but it ended up being scroll down TikTok for hours. Jadi
I'm
oleh
on
rencananya cuma 5 menit,
Yeah.
jadi berjam-jam.
Almost all days.
Scroll TikTok until sleepy.
Don't forget to use what is it? Namanya apa? Screen time ya kalau di TikTok sekarang udah ada screen time. So it will suddenly stop or cannot
Mr.
be
Masri
open.
nih tukang TikTok ini. Saya lihat.
Siapa nih? Bro Masri.
Iya,
Wow.
tukang TikTok.
Bro Masri.
Hey,
Oh biasanya kalau bapak-bapak
I'm
Dia
ready already.
malu-malu dia. Embrace
Bapak-bapak
dia,
itu
embrace.
uploadnya quote, some quote or something like that. Yeah. My dad too. My dad too. So bukan dia yang
I'm
joget-joget,
around.
tapi biasanya
I'm
some
around
quotes
in
or something
YouTube.
like that.
Yeah, maybe I play in YouTube or I am on in YouTube maybe.
Ya,
A
I'll be
day.
your first subscriber, Bro Masri.
Ya,
Ah?
I'm-
Nanti share link aja. Share link aja
Saya
kita
main.
subscribe bareng-bareng ya teman-teman ya.
Ah. Thank you.
Okay, but it's getting late now, so enjoy your social
Okay.
media time or enjoy your rest, everyone. Please
I
come
will
again
going
tomorrow.
to
Thank you.
I will
sleep.
see you guys
next.
again tomorrow.
Yeah, see you
everyone. Have a nice
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, sis
Bye.
Ati.
Bye.
Bye.